Yellow Productions presents
the best cheap eats on the island of Maui in Hawaii. I'm Chris, this is my traveling panda Topher, and today in this video we're going to tell you about places to get some cheap, well, nothing's cheap in Hawaii, but reasonably inexpensive, tasty food on the island of Maui. The first place we're going to start at is Eskimo Candy. Eskimo Candy started as a wholesale seafood operation in Maui in the 1980s. 2003, they opened a seafood restaurant. They specialize in local fresh fish. They have really good poke bowls with 4 different types of poke, different fresh fish every day. We had a pretty delicious sauteed in garlic shrimp, specialty of Hawaii. I definitely recommend a stop here. The poke was $13 and the shrimp was $15. So that's about as cheap as you're gonna get for some fresh seafood in Maui. Another good place for seafood in Kihei is at Paia Fish Market, south side. They also have fresh fish. They have pretty good fish tacos and fish burgers. The fish tacos, don't be expecting something really Mexican. It's definitely a Hawaiian taco. I'd also skip the sides because they were unappealing, but if you're looking for another fish paste, you could give this one a try. It's a small place. The seating is outdoor seating. You order inside of the counter and they bring the food to you. Extra bonus, right next door is a pretty good shave ice place, so you can get yourself some shave ice after your tacos or fish burger. The quintessential dessert when you're on any Hawaiian island is Hawaiian shave ice. Maui has a number of shave ice chains. In Kihei, there's a place called the Hapa Shack, and they have the passion orange guava. Pro tip, get some ice cream on the bottom. I love it with coconut ice cream. And on the top, you can get the sweet cream on the top. Serve with a couple straws so you can drink the syrup out the bottom as it melts, and some spoons. You can eat it from the top. This place, the Hapa Shack, they make their syrups themselves from actually real fruits. Makes it pretty good. Doesn't taste fake at all. Real cane sugar. And the reason why it's called shave ice, oh, and it's leaking. The reason why it's called shave ice is it's actually shaved from a block of ice. It's a big block, goes around in a circle in this machine, and that's what makes this delicious, fluffy dessert. Really good on a hot day because it cools you down, and but you got to eat it quick because otherwise it's going to melt. You eat with the spoon and drink from the straw. It's a multimodal meal. Another great way to get cheap eats in Maui, and it's quintessentially Hawaiian, are lunch trucks. They've had lunch trucks here before the whole lunch truck craze hit the mainland, and here's one for South Maui Fish Company. They have fresh caught fish and poke, but I'm at the intersection of like 3 different lunch trucks. Over here, there's a lunch truck for Thai food, and right behind it, there's another Three's Bar and Grill food truck. So you'll find these all over as you're driving. Sometimes they'll have a little table that you could eat out front. Sometimes you eat in your car if you want it to be a little more air conditioned and a little cooler. But give some a try. It's authentic Hawaii. One of the places I wanted to mention, while not the cheapest, but it was one of the most delicious places that we ate in Maui, was The Kitchen. This is one of the top 10 restaurants on Yelp in Maui. They have over 2,000 reviews, 4.5 stars at the time of this video. Their Hawaiian food is really good. I got the mixed plate, which was chicken katsu, fried mahi, chicken teriyaki, and beef teriyaki, 2 scoops of rice, and macaroni salad that also has potato in it. $18, it could seriously feed 2 people. It feeds an army. They're also famous for their loco moco and their fried musubi. It's right out near the airport. Give it a try. They do get busy. There's a bunch of chairs out here for people who want to wait. The service is quick and fast. They take your orders on an iPad. You'll be in and out, lickety-split. So definitely give The Kitchen a try. For some of the best fish tacos and fish and chips on the island, stop by Coconut's Fish Cafe. The fish tacos, they come in an order of 2, very delicious. They come with some mango salsa on top, a little more than $10 for the fish tacos. They're delicious. The funny thing I thought about getting them, for someone who's from San Diego and eats a lot of tacos, they actually come by when they give you the tacos and let you know that the appropriate way to eat them is with your hand, so you can get it all at the same time. I guess there's some people never had a taco, try to eat it with a knife and a fork. So when you come, pro tip, now you know, eat your taco with your hands. Their coconut shrimp appetizer is also very delicious. Shrimp with breaded in coconut and then fried. Really good coconut and shrimp taste. And then finally, their fish and chips actually comes with 2 different types of fish. It comes with ono and mahi mahi. You know, our meal for 2 people with those things was about 40 bucks, which was a really good deal for the kind of food that you get here. It's a fast casual kind of place. You come in, you order at the counter, they give you a number, they bring your food to your table. And it's also neat, all the tables inside are surfboards. So Coconuts is probably my favorite seafood restaurant that I think I've had here in Maui. Fast, casual, tasty, delicious, can't go wrong. For some of the best noodles in Maui, stop by Star Noodle. It's up the hill from Lahaina. 3,000 Yelp reviews, can't be wrong. They've got some delicious noodles. Make a reservation though, they get quite busy. Their #1 seller are their pork buns, and if you've ever had Peking duck, it's kind of like that, except instead of duck in the middle, it's pork. Pretty delicious. We had the Singapore noodles, those were also really good. One of their specialties is also garlic noodles. I think I could give that one a pass for next time, but if you like garlic, check that one out. Everything inside looked pretty delicious. We saw other people getting ramen and poke, pretty good. And if you're wondering why I'm not in front of a sign, well, it's because it's back there and it's dark in front of it, so I'm standing at the street light in front. They have a parking lot, so there's easy parking, and there's plenty of street parking as well too. Another great spot for shaved ice in Maui is Ululani Shaved Ice. They've got numerous locations across Maui. I'm eating at the one at the Hyatt Hotel. It's actually just a little stand outside that they shave the ice right there. They're known for having some of the finest shave ice. I'm getting the coconut flavor with coconut ice cream below, snow cap on top, and the ice is really, really fine and soft. I think it helps absorb the syrupy flavor and makes it seem to not melt quite as quick. They've got these also plastic holders, and interestingly enough, they've got these holes in the table that you can put it in too. That way it doesn't go anywhere and you don't have to hold it. I really like that. So give Ululani's a try. $6 gets you a small. It's big enough to share between 2 people. Really keep you cool on a hot day in Maui. For the best burgers in Maui, check out Teddy's Bigger Burgers. They're my favorite burgers in all of Hawaii. I've had them before on the island of Oahu. They have one location here in Maui in Lahaina. The burgers, pretty cheap. You can get a combo, burger, fries, and shake for $10.99. Not as cheap as In-N-Out in California, but about as cheap as you're gonna get in Maui. And I'm not the only one that thinks they have the best burgers. They've gotten numerous Best Burger awards. Now, if you come here, one of their specialties is putting pineapple on the burger. And pineapples, if you're from the mainland or someplace else, can often be sour, but the pineapples in Hawaii, most delicious, very sweet. If you want something extra special, get your burger with pineapple, peanut butter, and Cajun seasoning. That's my favorite. Delicious. I love it. If you're in Lahaina, definitely stop by Teddy's Bigger Burgers and get a really good burger. And the final place for cheap eats that I'll mention, it's actually not a restaurant, it's a supermarket. Foodland, it's a Hawaiian chain supermarket, and they are famous for their poke. Inside, they have a seafood counter with poke by the pound, about $10 a pound for all different types of poke. They'll often have 10 or 15 different types, depending upon the Foodland you go into. But if you like poke, Foodland, check it out. Get it to go, eat it at a bench. Pretty tasty, pretty cheap. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you get some tasty eats when you're in Maui. I publish new videos every Sunday. Please subscribe if you'd like to see them every Sunday. Or you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+. Links in the description below. Or you might enjoy watching one of these other videos. Click any of them to watch. Okay, bye-bye.